Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Insightly to BigCommerce in 2024. Of course, Insightly is a powerful CRM tool, and integrating it with BigCommerce can help you streamline your customer management and also your sales processes. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to set up this integration. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into the video, and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, whatever you want. Go to the URL section. Make sure to access your Insightly account. So go to insightly.com. And the same will be for BigCommerce. You'll need to do the same with BigCommerce. Make sure to log in into your both accounts, Insightly and BigCommerce. For example, I'll just go here and log in using Google if I don't want to get through all the boring steps of entering my information manually. In login and even creating accounts, I can do so. And for BigCommerce, it's going to be the same. I'll click on login here, and I'll be able to log in into my accounts right away, as an example. So just click on login. Okay, I'll just click on sign up from the beginning, because I don't remember my password. Or let's just go here as example, forgot, yeah. And yeah, enter that email in here. So the email address you submitted is a valid username. You'll receive an email. So I'll just go here to my email provider, it is Gmail, to receive the password. I just forgot the password for some reason. So yeah, here is it. Change your password as example. So new password should be as example something like this. So I should not forget it. So yeah, okay, I see why I did not remember this, because that's the usual password I use for something like that, but it seems like it's too short, so that's why it did not get accepted. So okay, that's 11. I need to add one more. Okay, so since I removed that, I'll just go and add this, then click on reset password. Oh, you are unable to reuse this password. Okay, so it's the password that I'm using right now. Okay, that's good. So I'll just go back in here, go back. I don't need to reset it. And yeah, I'll just go and do this. And here, I'll basically just use that and click on login, and I should be good to go, right? So anyway, once it's logged in, of course, I guess it will log in, yeah. So it's taking some time. So here, of course, like your free trial ended. Yeah, I'll just choose like it's 7 more days. I don't need to choose a plan. I'm just going to show you like how to connect it. So basically, to connect your BigCommerce with Insightly, we will need, of course, a third-party tool. This third-party tool will be, of course, there's a lot of options. There is like Zapier option. There is, I don't know, there is like automates.io, there is Integromate, there's a lot of options. But in this video, I'll show you how to do it with Zapier. So to do so, of course, we'll need to open a new tab, go and type zapier.com, basically enter or hit the enter button. Once you do so in here, as example, you'll, of course, if it's your first time, basically, you'll be taken to a page like this. You can simply just log in into your account or create an account, depending on whatever you want, and you should find yourself here. You can use that also with Google if you don't want to get through all boring steps of entering your information through the login or creating an account. So once you are here, of course, for Insightly, you'll need your API key. You can get that from your profile at the top right corner. Click on it, then click on user settings right away. Simply scroll down, you will find your API key here. In case, like example, you this API key got leaked or something like that, you can always generate a new one, so keep that in mind. So you can go here to Zapier, go to this left panel, go to apps, and look for Insightly as example. So Insightly, and go and click on connect. Once you click on connect, as you can see, you can find the API key required. So you'll have to enter the API key and you'll find it in user settings. So you can even click on that and they'll take you right away to that page if you want. And as you can see, all you need to do, just enter your API key there and you should be logged in into your account. So I'm not doing it because I'm already connected. As you can see in here, it's already connected. And yeah, once you connect to your Insightly, now it's time to connect your BigCommerce. So you can go and look for BigCommerce here. So as you can see right here, just go and click on connect. And all you need to do is simply enter your store hash and access token. So you can find it, as example, the store hash by logging in to your BigCommerce, go to settings and click on API account, create an API account and the API path, found it. It shows the store hash in this URL. So all I need to do, I'll just go here, settings as example, as they say, I guess. I'll just go here. It's going to be right here. So yeah, go to settings. After that, click on API accounts. So just look where's API accounts. And where is it? It should be right here, yeah, at the bottom. So as you can see, API right here. So I'll just go and put it right here. So what's exactly API account? So all of the API accounts, but I guess so create specific permission for some account level operation. And this is for some apps and integration. Okay, so this is what I want. So basically, as you can see in here, I'll just go and create a new API key. API path, what I need basically the hash. So what's the hash? The store hash after the stores, right? So I'll just go and get that. So this exact one. So I'll just go and get this, click on connect. I guess this is the hash that he wants. So yeah, before v3. Yeah, so this is the hash that you want. I'll just go and enter it there. Then the access token, you can generate it by logging into your account, click on settings, then create on API accounts. And then of course you'll find more information there. So where's the access like key or something like that? So, okay, I can even as example, click on here, more information here. They show you exactly as example how to find it if you want to. So you'll be able to have access to all of that. You can read it out as example to understand more about it. So it seems like a documentation from BigCommerce, so you don't have to worry about anything specific. So here, I don't want that specifically. I'll just go back here and yeah, here's example. And of course, let me just go. I did not even save this. I'll just go here and give it like it says. Of course, you'll have to give it like access to whatever you want. So as example, I'll just give it access to all of that here. I'm just doing some random stuff. Of course, depending on why you are trying to connect these two as example. So I'll just give it to this and click on save as an example in here. So yeah, of course, you can save it on TXT with everything. So client ID, client secrets, and access token. So this access token is what I want. So I'll just go in here and click on done. Go back here, go and copy that here, and click on yes, continue. And it should be good to go. So as you can see, it's already connected. So what I need to do now, just go and click on Zaps. And here, basically, you can start create or click on create, of course, and then click on Zaps. And here you'll be able to create like the connection that you want to do between these two. As example, I can even use this AI so to tell them do some specific stuff. It will basically create whatever you want for you, and yeah, you should be then good to go. As example, so here I'll just go. Okay, let me just zoom to fit. So, example, I'll just type connect like big commerce. So big commerce to Insightly. Might type it wrong, but it's fine. They will understand it as example. So they will create everything for me. I'll just go and click on add all steps. And once I add those steps, I'll have to solve any issues right there. So here's an example. It filled everything for me. I can change the event of the trigger. So once order created, what the actions should be. Update a record example. I can change it to create a record to whatever it is. And of course, I will be able to test the trigger. If everything is good, so of course, no order found. I just created that. So of course, you can skip the test and you can see it checked. Once you finish this also as an example, so I'll just choose here some random stuff or example, I don't know, events. Okay, events has a lot of things to fill. So maybe opportunity. Okay, a lot of things. I'll just add comments here. Okay, body, whatever that is. And then owner, custom or okay, this one, an example, click on continue. And it says this step as an example. And of course, for me, I have nothing there, but I'll just go and skip the tests. As I said, I just created those two accounts. So as you can see, once both of them checked, you can simply publish it and you connect the both with each other, and you even add an automated stuff. So once you create a record or once you order has came or order created in BigCommerce, like Insightly would create a record. Of course, you can do multiple things together, automated if you want to, with the connection between the two of them. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.